In this video, we're going to cover a GoDaddy WordPress install. There are exactly two ways to do this, the manual method and the much faster automated method. Let us quickly walk through the manual process first. You'll start by heading over to the official WordPress website and downloading the .zip file. Save it to your computer and extract all the files. Next, you need to log into your GoDaddy hosting control panel, which is likely cPanel, to manually create a new WordPress database and user. Make sure you keep those database credentials handy because you'll need them right away for the third step. You'll need to find the wp-config-sample.php file on your computer, rename it to just wp-config.php, and open it in a text editor. Find the MySQL settings section and type in your specific database name, username, and password so that your new WordPress site can communicate with your server. Once you save those changes, it also includes vital security features and a free SSL certificate. If you want to save time and skip dealing with FTP clients and code editors, I highly recommend going with their built-in WordPress packages. Drop a comment below letting me know which route you decided to take, and I will see you in the next video.